Hi everyone, in front of me is Honor 8 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find apps. Now let's tap on this three dots icon, which will open more options, and at the very bottom of the list we've got reset up preferences. So simply tap on it, and here your device is informing you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default apps for actions, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so if you are ready, simply tap on reset apps. And actually this is it. This is how to reset up preferences in your Honor 8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.